Well, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I have a lot of acreage here. It has woods on it, and it's kind of been getting away from me. I had a tractor. You know, my dad and brother told me you need a tractor. So we've got a tractor. I got a log puller. You see that here. And it does a great job of pulling up wood. And if you have a sawmill, you almost have to have a tractor. But it's still been getting away from me. The weeds have been growing up around all that wood, and I have to move it all by hand. Yeah, I can get off the tractor and hook a chain to the bucket and pull it up. You see that here. But that's a lot of work, getting off that tractor. So my brother, he says, you need a grapple. So guess what? We've got a grapple here. And that thing works great. You can see that here. Yeah, my dad and my brother, they both been there, done that. And now we're getting set up to do it the correct way, the farmer's way. If you don't have enough hands, get a tractor with a grapple and a log puller and a brush hog and whatever else you can afford. It's going to be worth it. But you see, it did pick up this big maple here. It's been sitting here a while. So it's dry, but it's wet. It's been a lot of rain this year. But I was able to pick it up from the flat. Like I say, I had more fluid in the cylinders. I was able to lift it that way. So we're a success.